How to make your old laptop run faster in Windows 11. So if you have an old laptop that's really slow, I'll show you a few ways on how to speed up the system. Now, first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You could then use the search box to type in Settings and click on this window here. Now from the left hand side, click on Apps, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Startup. Now here are all of the applications that start up when you first turn on your computer. Now what you need to do is go and disable as many of these as you can. So just go through your list of applications and toggle these buttons to off, and make sure to disable any application that you don't need starting up when you first turn on your computer. Now once you've done this, you can click on Apps once again and press Installed Apps. Now click on Sort By and select Large to Small. Now this will show you which applications on your computer are taking up the most amount of space. So what I'd recommend doing is, if you don't use any of these applications, you can go and uninstall the app from your computer. So you can do that just by clicking the 3 horizontal dots next to the application. You could then press Uninstall and just click on the Uninstall button. Now once you've gone through these list of applications and uninstalled any unnecessary apps, you'll then need to press System from the left hand side. Now scroll all the way down to Storage. Now scroll down to Storage Sense and make sure this is turned on like so. Click on Cleanup Recommendations, and here are some things you can do to speed up your computer. So if you press See Advanced Options, you can go and check the boxes next to all of these different recommendations. Once everything's selected, you can just go and press Remove Files. You'll then get this warning message, press Continue. You can then click back on System from the left hand side, scroll down to Power and Battery, and if you have an option for Power Mode, click on this, and make sure both of these are set to Best Performance. You can then click on Gaming from the left hand side, click on Xbox Mode, and make sure this is turned off. Come back over to the previous window and click on Game Bar. Make sure this is also turned off. You can then click on Game Mode, and if you use your computer for gaming, you can go and turn this on. Otherwise, you can disable this as well. Now finally, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Privacy and Security in the left hand side. Scroll down to Notifications and make sure notification access is turned off. You can then finally click on Windows Update. Click on the Check for Updates button and just make sure you're running the latest version of Windows. If you have outdated software, this can also cause performance issues. Now finally close out of this window. Open up your Start menu, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance and click on this window. Now select Adjust for Best Performance and then just select Animations in the taskbar, Save Taskbar Thumbnail Previews, Show Thumbnails instead of Icons, and also Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. You can then just press Apply and OK. Now the last thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu again, search for Disk Cleanup and click on this tool here. Now press OK. Go and check the boxes next to all of these different options and press OK. You can then finally select Delete Files, and once you finish this, you'll need to restart your computer and your old laptop should now be running much faster.